and researcher. Recently I have discovered on best humanizing tool, and that is EssayDone.AI generating entire text by using AI will not only increase the AI scores of your research documents, but if you anyways by taking help of this AI tools to support your research writing. Maybe to rewrite your work, then also your research documents can show AI score, and in order to reduce this AI score you can definitely use this EssayDone.AI. So, this is not just a humanizing tool, but by using this tool, you can also detect AI, you can generate documents, you can use AI chart, you can chat with PDFs and lot more stuff you can do, but in this video, specifically we'll be emphasizing on the humanizing capability of this AI tool. So without any further ado, let's start. So, first we'll take one document, which is generated by using AI. So we'll be checking its AI score, by using EssayDone.AI, also we'll be using GPTZero, and then we'll be humanizing this by EssayDone.AI. And then we'll be comparing the text quality, and AI scores, as well. So, in order to do that, you have to first sign up on this EssayDone.AI, have also provided this link in this video description. So, free trial is also available. You can first use this free trial, you can make yourself familiar with this interface. And then looking towards the capabilities and quality of the text, you can decide to move ahead, to upgrade to the premium. Here, also you'll get highlights about the features, like Writer GPT Humanizer Turnitin Detector. That does mean, this tool uses similar algorithms, like Turnitin, and, hence, you'll almost get similar results. So, you can sign up for free. So, right now, I have already created my account on this platform, so, after login, you'll be getting this homepage. And on the left side, you will get the information about all the features, like, Humanizer, Writer GPT, Turning Detector AI Chat, Chat with PDF and different tools. AI Translator as well, so, you can definitely try all these features, but let me, now discuss about, this humanizing capabilities. So, once you'll click on this humanizer, you will get this interface, and here, you will be able to see different models. Okay, I'll recommend you to use this Pro Model V2, which is capable to bypass almost all the AI detectors. You'll also get this information. Whenever you'll put your cursor or any of these models, so, you have to paste your text here, and within this interface, itself you can check for AI, and then you can click on Humanize. Now, as I said, I have already generated one file by using the AI, and now let me just copy, maybe first 2 paragraphs, into the interface of this EssayDone.AI, and then, I can click on Check for AI. First, and here, you can see, this only 10% of the text is likely human written, means, it is showing around 90% text which is generated by using AI. Now, let me check the AI score in GPTZero, that is also one of the popular AI detectors. I would like to paste that copied text, within this interface, as well, and, then, I need to click on Scan. And you can see this, it is showing we are highly confident that this text was AI generated. That means entire text is highlighted, and that does mean it is showing 100% AI. Now, let me go back to the interface of EssayDone.AI, and now, I can click on this option Humanize. You can see this tool have started analyzing your file, and here you can see that you'll be getting 5 different versions. And this first version, which is showing almost 76% text is likely human written, and also, you won't find any similarity percentage. You can also go through the text quality, and you will find it up to the mark. If not, you can also refer to the other versions of your humanized text, but you have to also make sure that for these versions this AI detection and similarity score might be slightly different. So, for the second text, it is showing 62% of text is likely human written, then you may click on Next to get another version, so you have to keep this point in mind. That no AI tool is 100% efficient, so you may have to try several times in order to get very low AI score. Now, we'll also confirm whether the GPTZero is also showing less AI score after humanizing this text or not, so I can copy this text. And then, I'll go to the GPTZero, I can replace this text with humanized version, and then I can click on Scan. This GPTZero is also showing almost 0% AI score, so not only for this piece of text, but I have tried for multiple text. And, I have found that this tool is reducing AI score drastically, without compromising in the quality much, but, still I'll recommend you to try twice, thrice, to get best quality, and to get highly reduced AI score. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, like, share, and subscribe my channel.